Exclusive Real Estate will walk you through a luxury property in Piramal Aranya, which is located in Baikalla East. Piramal Aranya consists of 3 towers, Arav, Avyan and Ahan. We are showing you the property in Arav Tower, which is a prominent residential towering skyscraper of South Mumbai. So, without further ado, let's get started to the presentation.
Hi, welcome to Exclusive Real Estate. Today I am showing you an exclusive property of 2 BHK Jodi flat which is available for sale in Piramal Aranya. Piramal Aranya is conveniently located in Baikalla East behind Rani Bagh. If I talk about the layout of this flat, so both the flat have same resemblance. The carpet area of this flat is 750 square feet and the carpet area of this flat is 750 square feet. Including both, it becomes 1500 square feet. And there is one car parking comes with this flat and there is one car parking with this flat. Now I will show you both the flat step by step, so please come with me. So once you enter into the flat, so you will see a huge and massive living and dining area, from where you will get an unobstructed view of East Harbour as well as the Atal Setu. And one of the biggest USP of this living area is that you are going to get 2 air conditions. This is the first one and this is the second one. This was the door from where we have entered. And right now I am entering into the kitchen. Once you enter into the kitchen, you will notice a beautiful kitchen which has been aesthetically designed. Platforms have been given on both the sides, and here you have a sort of a dry area, and from here you have a space for sunlight and ventilation, and on this side you have a space to keep your refrigerator. So we have seen this kitchen. You have noticed how beautiful the kitchen was, and right now I am going to show you the remaining part of this flat. So once you enter into this foyer area, on this side you have the first bedroom, and on this side you have the common washroom. There is a door over here. It's up to you. Either you can use this washroom as a common washroom as well as an attached washroom. And this is your second bedroom or the master bedroom. It comes with an attached washroom. Now I am going to show you the first bedroom of this flat. So once you enter into this flat, you will see an unobstructed sea view. You can see how beautifully this bedroom has been designed. I really like the layout of this flat because from the living area, from the first bedroom as well as from the second bedroom, you are going to get an unobstructed view of Atal Setu as well as the harbour sea face. Here you have the common washroom which I was talking about, and right now I am entering into the second bedroom of this flat. So once you enter, on this side you have an attached washroom as well as the shower area. Right now I am standing into your master bedroom. You can see how aesthetically this bedroom has been designed, from where you will get an unobstructed view of Atal Setu. We have seen and explored enough about this flat, and right now I am going to show you the remaining part, another 2 BHK on that side. So please come with me and don't skip the video. So we have seen this flat. Now I am going to show you the 2 BHK flat which is on this side. So both the flat is identically same, having the similar layout, but the only difference is the view from the master bedroom. Here you would have the view of city view from your master bedroom. So this is your living and dining room, from where you will get the same view of Atal Setu as well as the harbour side sea. And similarly you are going to get 2 air conditions in this living and dining area also. If I talk about the kitchen, so the size of the kitchen is almost same as it was on that side, and dry area is almost same. Now I will show you the remaining part of this flat. So this foyer area leads to the first bedroom with this common washroom and the provision of door to make an attached washroom or make it as common washroom is available over here. So just go and have a look the first bedroom, how spacious that has been designed and how aesthetically this has been designed. From here you will get the view of Atal Setu. And right now I am entering into the master bedroom of this flat. But before that, let me show you the common washroom which I was talking about. And right now I am entering into the master bedroom or the second bedroom of this flat. On this side you have an attached washroom with the shower area, and here comes the surprise. I was talking about the view of both the master bedrooms. On that side you have the view of the other side, but as far as the view of this master bedroom is concerned, so here you have an awesome view. From here you will get the city view. I think the view from this master bedroom is awesome as compared to that bedroom. Thanks for watching Exclusive Real Estate. Please call us for price and more details. It was an immense pleasure talking to you.